Alright, did a couple adjustments on the steam engine slash air engine, air compressed engine, and then down here I changed up the, put a little flywheel on there, a 5-pound weight. I moved some of the chain linkage around and geared it down so that way it's easier to turn the generator. And then hooked the generator all the way up to a 12-volt DC motor, which eventually over here I'm going to put another DC motor and take the power off of that. And up here everything's normal, and let's fire this bad boy up. Let's see what it can do. Alright, right now there's no power. There's my switch. Now it's going to slow down. Now we got to turn up the PSI. There we go. Generating some power. Running that little DC motor down there. See how fast we can make this thing go before my air runs out. Oh no, chain fell off. Anyways, it works. Just gotta fix that chain problem. Get some more RPMs out of this thing. I was thinking about putting another piston up on the top side so that way it pushes this way. It's pushing that way right now, but then there's nothing to push it back. So if I put another piston there, help push it back, push that one that way, that way, that way. There we go. Shabam, shabam. It should be all good, and this bad boy will run for a good while and create tons of horsepower is what I need. Anyways, that's it. Later. Peace.